morning, lads. Good morning. Dito kami ngayon. It's our first whole day sa London. And I'm going down. Lunch, breakfast first. And then we'll go around the touristy spots dito sa London. Ganda ng spots. Okay, sige, kakain lang kami sa baba. And then, after that, I'll go around first. Ikot-ikot ako mamaya sa baba. Alright, buffet English breakfast today. Ayun, bacon, sausage, vegan sausage, tomato, mushroom, tops plum, potato, then pork and beans. Masarap yung breakfast nila. Hindi siya yung, di ba sa atin sa Philippines, pag kumain ka ng pork and beans, malo sa amin yung pae, yung alat and all. Kaya ito masarap yung pork and beans. May asim yung tomato.
Okay.
Ito tayong mas pagpaka-healthy. Okay, good morning. And ayan, vlog ulit. So, mag-ho-ho kami ngayon. Hop on, hop off bus. Going to touristy spots dito sa London. So, yung hotel namin sa Peppy Street. Ayan. So, malapit lang kami actually sa Tower of London. Ito yung iconic tower sa London, yung sikat, hindi na London Bridge. We're also near Tower Hill. So yung temperature, siguro mga nasa 9. It's not super cold, ever it's cold. So medyo against the light lang. The sun is streaking hot. Smith tour. Meron ng tour here. And that's Tower of London. So yung Tower of London, you can see my background. Tomorrow we'll go there. That's Tower of London. Laki pala. Akala ko maliit lang. Pero it's a citadel kasi. Surrounding it is it's a wall.
Southwark Bridge. Ayan yung London. Yun yung London Bridge sa tabi. Tapos yun yung Tower Bridge.
Ay?
Tower Bridge sa likod. Naku, dapat Daryl nandito ka sa
So here na kami sa Westminster Abbey. Ang Westminster Abbey, dati siyang abbey ng mga Benedictine priests, monks. Ito siya.
Wow!
So ito yung Westminster Abbey. Yan, one of the most iconic places here sa London. So yan siya. Actually, if you want to go in, you can book online. Kung hindi ka nakabook online, merong QR codes here na pwede kayong i-scan if you want to go inside. Yan. So watch out lang for madaming turista, maraming tao. Mag-ingat minsan sa mga mandurukot or something na mga pansamantala sa turista kasi ang dami talagang tourists. Ayun, watch out. Kaya ako, tinago ko yung mga wallet ko. Tinago ko kung saan kita bulsa. Grabe ang lamig. So ayun, pati yung phone ko tinago ko rin sa hindi makikita. Siya. So dati siyang Benedictine monk monastery. Sarap ng araw. So ito na yung Big Ben. Actually the tower's name is Elizabeth Tower. Tapos yung Big Ben is the bell inside. Tapos sa tabi naman ito sa left side ko is St. Margaret's Chapel. Katabi siya ng Westminster Abbey. Ayun. So free entry. So right behind me is the Parliament Square. So meron din ditong monument ni Abraham Lincoln sa Parliament Square. So dito kayo dadaan if you want to go to Buckingham Palace. Interesting, they were able to preserve yung mga buildings dito. Imagine, years na to. Centuries even. Mas malamig lang kasi yung sipon ko para nag-i-yellow na. Ba't kaya birdcage walk ang tawag dito? Siguro kasi yung dahil birdcage. Yan, dito na kami sa... So, dito, merong St. James Park.
Magandang kung nasa dagat eh. So, you can...
That's Buckingham Palace. So yung bahay ng mga royals here. Tapos dito, merong magandang golden statue yung taas with Queen Victoria na andun sa baba. Picture lang kami ng asawa ko dito kaya game tayo picture.
Obrigado. Thank you. Thank you, Chat.
我就不开了吧，看他，开的话他俩也走不了。
Start.
Ayun, sabay-sabay kayo to. Tapos
Alright, this... Yan, medyo up close sa ano. Medyo up close sa Buckingham Palace with the guards. So, syempre sarado yan. You cannot go inside. Pero yun the closest that I can get. Go near, siguro, sa royal family. Ayan. Ito yung front gate. Dami tao. Well, marami rin Pinoy na bisita. At namamasyal here right now sa London. Pero good thing nga maaraw eh. At least. Ayun. Hindi sobrang lamig. Okay, medyo effort na dito kami ngayon sa Abbey Road, diba? Medyo effort magka-picture dun sa pedestrian crossing where the Beatles. Di ko saan yung Beatles dun sa kanilang album na Abbey Road. Ito yon. So it's difficult to cross because it's kind of a busy road today. Ang daming dumadaan. Tapos marami nagpapapicture. And it's mahirap i-pull off yung ano. Mahirap i-pull off yung trick na to. So yeah, crossing.
Mami, dapat ikaw naman.
So mahirap siyang i-pull off. Ito yung perfect.
Balik.
Exciting. Siguro ito ka several attempts para makuha yung walk na yun. Kasi ang daming dumadaan. And kakontinue yung tao. Yan, sa Abbey Road. So this is an extension of the Beatles tour that we had from Liverpool. Yan. Masaya din siya kasi ang hirap niyang gawin. Alright, sige, yun yung Abbey Road trip. Okay, narid ko lang yung wife ko here sa Devonshire Square. Meron silang event. Meeting with investors, those kind of things. And me, I'm on my way back to the hotel. Walk lang, it's a 15-minute walk. From dito sa Devonshire Square, going to Pepe Streets. Guys, this is an evening walk and I'm going to fetch my wife. Meron kaming dinner. Magdi-dinner kami sa Strada South Bank. It's near the Eye of London and it's our anniversary dinner. Tapos siguro we need to go home early after that because we're really tired. Maghapon kami na masyal as turista. And tomorrow, another day. I have a lot of things to do tomorrow. I'm going to watch a football game. So, if you're interested, you want to join me watch a game, tomorrow in a video, I'll go to Fulham. And, discover natin kung anong place meron doon. So, I'm going to places na at hindi masyado pinupuntahan ng turista. Malamang hindi mo pa napupuntahan. Pero if you're interested and you want to if you want to watch my videos, you can subscribe to my channel. So you can support every channel because it can help our algorithm and it can help make the channel grow. So please do share, like, and subscribe to Tito D Vlogs. And goal ko sana makabalik dito next year. With your help, kaya natin gawin yun. Kasi there are too many places to explore dito sa UK. I plan to go back to Liverpool, go to Wales. Sa London, ang dami pa dapat i-explore. Kaya ayun, so I'll need to end this video na so that kapag dinner na kami ng wife ko. And I hope you like this video, the medyo turista vlog. And I'll see you on the next one, okay? Nag-uulat mula London, Daryl Texon. Peace out.